Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by picking the right app for your workflow. Good Notes or Notability give flexible pens and templates. Once paired, set page size and a few pen presets you actually use. Create a clear index page now with dates and 1-2-word topics so you can jump back easily. Start your first entry immediately, don't overplan. This gets momentum and a consistent habit, and it prevents future clutter as your journal grows. Now structure each entry so it's useful later. Header with date and topic, a short bulleted list, and a reflection or action line. Once done, selectively convert the parts you want searchable into text and attach voice memos or photos to capture context. Make sure to tag and color code entries consistently and move completed topics into nested folders. That organization speeds review and keeps the daily practice light. Finish each session by exporting or syncing your entry to your backup of choice. PDFs for sharing, Markdown for long-term text use. Set a short daily review window to tag and index while memory is fresh, and archive obsolete notes quarterly to maintain speed. If you ever hit a sync error, force quit the app, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and export a local copy before attempting a resync. This preserves data and avoids accidental loss while you troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.